Bullish ETH cost expectation for 2022 is $2,071 to $4,128. The ETH cost will likewise reach $2,500 soon. Bearish ETH cost expectation for 2022 is $991. In Ethereum, ETH, cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Revel, and other data about ETH to break down the future development of the digital currency. Ethereum, ETH, current market status. The cost of Ethereum, ETH, is $1,508.44 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 115,344,550,126 at the hour of composing. In any case, ETH has diminished to 7.5% as of now. What is Ethereum, ETH? Ethereum, ETH, known as Ether, is the local digital money of Ethereum. Ethereum is an open-source blockchain stage that changed the blockchain and DeFi area by the presentation of savvy contracts. This second-age blockchain was sent off in 2015. Its local crypto coin, Ether, ETH, was sent off through an underlying coin offering, ICO, in August 2014. The whole Ethereum network is energized by Ether, ETH. The outline of the Ethereum network was first delivered in quite a while white paper in 2013 by Ethereum fellow benefactor Vitalik Buterin. Since its send-off, the blockchain-based programming stage capabilities as a likely platform for a few other crypto tokens, DeFi conventions, and various decentralized applications, dApps. In this way, Ethereum is viewed as the world PC. The brilliant agreements are coded programs that execute independently with pre-characterized condition on Ethereum. These savvy contracts are conveyed and executed through the Ethereum Candy Machine, EVM. Ethereum will progress to the confirmation of stake, POS, agreement through the Union Update. At first, the Ethereum network was based on the high-energy escalated confirmation of work, POW, since its send-off. From 2020, the Ethereum designers have started getting ready for the POW to POS progress. The consolidation redesign is set for September 15th. After this progress, the Ether, ETH, which was an inflationary symbolic will change over into a deflationary token. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2022. The above graph of Ethereum, ETH, spread out a head and shoulder design. In this example, the value activity would have framed three pinnacles. At first, the value rises and structures a first pinnacle and afterward declines to shape a box. After this, it again ascends to shape the second pinnacle which is somewhat higher the first and afterward declines. A third pinnacle is again shaped and is more limited than the second pinnacle. Along these lines, the first and third pinnacle structure the shoulders while the second pinnacle shapes the head. A gauge is shaped by interfacing these three parts alongside box by and large. This example demonstrates a pattern inversion, particularly a bullish to negative change. In the event that the cost supports above benchmark, request zone, a bullish direction is normal and assuming that it breaks it, it enters a negative force. As of now, Ethereum, ETH, is at $1,493. Assuming that the example proceeds, and the cost of ETH skips from the pattern, it could arrive at the objective obstruction level of $2,053. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of ETH might tumble to $1,416 and $1,040. Furthermore, the moving normal, MAMA, of Ethereum, ETH, is additionally displayed in the above graph. Remarkably, the ETH cost lies under 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is totally in a descending pattern. Presently, ETH is in a negative state. Likewise, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of ETH whenever. From mid-July to mid-August, ETH was in a bullish state. This is obvious from its cost activity which was over 50 MAMA during that time. In the interim, the general strength record, RSI, of the ETH is at a degree of 44.57. This implies that ETH is in an oversold state. Ethereum, ETH, value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to look normal directional file, ADX, of Ethereum, ETH. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. From the above diagram, we can decipher ETH is moving in a comparable pattern to BTC. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC expands, the cost of ETH likewise increments. Additionally, when the cost of BTC diminishes, the cost of ETH diminishes. Ethereum, ETH, Value Expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern switches, Ethereum, ETH, could likely achieve $2,900 by 2023. Ethereum, ETH, Value Expectation 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Ethereum, ETH, could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ETH could mobilize to hit $3,800 by 2024. Ethereum, ETH, Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Ethereum, ETH, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, ETH would mobilize to hit $4,600. Ethereum, ETH, Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Ethereum, ETH, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, ETH would energize to hit $5,500. Ethereum, ETH, Value Expectation 2027. If Ethereum, ETH, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, ETH would energize to hit $5,900. Ethereum, ETH, Value Forecast 2028. On the off chance that Ethereum, ETH, holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, it could observe a critical cost rallies. Accordingly, by 2028, ETH would hit $6,800. Ethereum, ETH, Value Expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Ethereum, ETH, it would observe significant spikes. ETH could hit $7,500 by 2029. Ethereum, ETH, Value